So I'm here at Hurco in High Wycombe. I'm with Erowa Robots. We're going to be looking at one of their 5-axis machine solutions. Andrew, tell us about the model that we have here.
Yeah, the VMX30UHSi is a trunnion machine, 5-axis trunnion.
And how does it compare to the other 5-axis that you have in the range? What makes it different and who would
Yeah,
buy
what
this?
makes this one different, this model, is the high-speed spindle, 18,000 RPM, faster tool changes, rapids of 45 metres per minute.
And what can the machine handle in terms of the size of parts?
Yeah, it's a 250mm diameter table, but we can actually rotate a part with 420mm diameter on this table.
So what have we got here, Andy, that's interfaced to this machine?
The other thing on here is obviously we have the pallet loader, which can be fitted to any machine, but on this particular one, yeah, we have the Erowa 48 pallet tool changer.
So the key to this is the unmanned running hours,
That's right.
isn't it?
Yeah. What makes it different from other machines maybe is that we have a thing called job list, so we can load like 48 different jobs onto 48 different pallets and run them lights out.
So you're housing all the programs in the control, and then the communication from the hardware to the software will pick the right one at the right time?
Yeah, that's right. We use a piece of software called Hurco Job List, and we just load in which pallet number we want to pick, and then the relevant program with that pallet in any order you like.
So talk me through someone that's likely to embark on this as a solution.
Yeah, so this solution is for someone maybe already with a 5-axis machine, and you can put the robot on the side of it and turn it into an unmanned unit cell. With this, you can also put another machine on the side, so that robot will feed 2 machines at the same time.
Is there any other options that our audience should know that you can have on this machine?
Yeah, it's a 40-tool changer. It's a motorised inline spindle, giving 18,000 RPM. Faster tool changes, as I said before.
Probing, tool setting?
We can have Renishaw probing, or any probing on it, but we tend to go Renishaw probing on it, tool probe and part probe.
Popular machine for you, Andy?
It is very popular. Yeah, we've sold quite a few of these cells where we have maybe 2 30Us with the robot working in conjunction in a self-contained cell.